beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, hello. My youngest son left me 3 bananas. That can only mean one thing: Mom, please make banana bread. So using family recipe that's been used my whole life, I'm going to show you how I make banana bread. So I'm going to set my oven for 350 degrees and we can begin. To make this lovely banana bread, we will need a half a cup of butter, a cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 3 bananas, 2 eggs, and 3 teaspoons of milk. Alright, now to begin with my 3 bananas, and I'm going to mush them with a potato masher. Now these bananas were left just long enough to be just past ripe, you know. They're still good, but you don't want to eat them. So to add my butter, which was melted previously but has since cooled. Okay, so I'll mix my butter in with my bananas, and from there I'm going to add in my sugar. Oven is heated to 350. Okay. I have slightly beaten my eggs and I'll mix those in next, along with my milk. Ooh. Next, I throw in my salt, baking soda, okay, and now what flour? Ooh. There it is. Okay, next, prep your pan. I like baking cooking release. This or Baker's Joy spray, either one. I love both of them. Now, ooh. Alright, let's see if I can get the recipes in here. I now have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and wasn't this crazy easy? One of the easiest recipes I know. So let's get that into the oven. Ooh. And that's going to bake for about an hour and 15 minutes. So in 1 hour I'll come back and check it, and if it's done we will have a piece. So let's pull our lovely bread out of the oven and look, and you know what? I'm not going to even do a toothpick test on it. It's not done. So I'm going to put this in for another like 15 minutes and then we'll come back and check it again. Toothpick came out clean, so I'm gonna let this cool. Okay, so there it is, fresh out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool for a little while. It smells wonderful. Okay, anyway, it's very hot in here and I'm gonna wrap this video up. I can guarantee that this is gonna turn out as well as it always does. So if you want to give my recipe a shot, please comment down in the description below how it went. I would love to hear about it. Real quick, just wanted you guys to see the inside of this now that it's cooled a little bit. I'm going to put it right down the middle so you can see how beautifully baked through that is. Isn't that lovely? Whew. It's very steamy too. I know this is not in sync with the rest of it. It got very hot in here and I don't feel well all of a sudden. So I had to change things up just a little bit and call it first, what you see. Very hot and crumbly. Alright, so I'm going to put it on my plate. Ooh. My serving suggestion is you eat this warm with just a little bit of butter on it. Oh, look at the butter melt on that. And this is truly the way to have this. But like I said, I'm not feeling great, so I'm not going to eat this right now. I'm going to peddle this off to the next person who walks in the kitchen. And I'm calling it a night. Oh, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. But for now, I'm going to say goodnight. Take care, be safe, and goodbye. I walked back into the kitchen 8 hours later to find this much bread taken. I guess it was a hit. Thank you for watching. Hey, want to subscribe? You can click on the purple Christmas tree. Not sure you want to subscribe yet? You want to see more content first? You can click on this video over here. Until next time, take care and be safe.